Hello everyone, this is Henan Shengmao machinery. Behind me is one set of our stationary dry mix concrete batching plant, which is pre-assembled in our factory and will ship to our customers soon. The capacity of this set is 90 cubic meters per hour. This type dry mix concrete batching plant doesn't have the concrete mixer, and the aggregate are mixed in the concrete trunk. This is the aggregate batcher module PLD 2400, 3 bins, separate wing type. There is a wing hopper and each bin. After the aggregate is winned, the belt conveyor will transport the aggregate to the waiting hopper on top of the discharging platform. Above the discharge platform is the wing of water, additive, and cement. Our Shengmao machinery can produce many kinds of concrete batching plants. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.